Today's the day. We're at Home Depot getting materials to build our garden bed. So.
Wait, we need to drive to the barn.
Yeah.
We go with Papa and meet him.
Papa's gonna take the truck with all the wood and the PVC, and we're gonna meet them.
When we go to the barn?
All right, we're outside of Home Depot, so we are gonna go get materials to build the garden beds. By 8 by 12 red cedar. They are pricey, but they're supposed to be really solid. They're not gonna deteriorate. All right, we're loaded up. We got the cedar themselves. We got 2 compliments on the smell of these things. And then the PVC, which will bury the hose for the irrigation. And we're gonna go unload it at the farm. All right, we made it back to the farm. Nothing flew out of the truck. So we're actually about to wait for my neighbor. He's gonna come on his tractor and help us scrape up the top of the dirt. So you can hear him in the background now. I'm gonna spin this around so you can see him. There he is. Coming to save the day. It is hot out here, man. Quick detour, we gotta check out our boy Chip. Holding it down. Bro, why are you so cute, buddy? Oh my gosh. Coco. He's right here. Right here. Yeah. Here. Yeah. There's your buddy.
All right, this is my first look at where they prepped for the future garden. Let's see. Louise inspecting with me. It's pretty level. We're planning on doing, did you explain what we're doing? We're doing 12 by 4 foot beds. We're gonna do 4 of them right now, and then we're gonna do some in-ground gardening in the back there. Just to see how it goes back here. This is behind our milk cow area and then before our canal. And then we're gonna be doing another garden by the house once the house is done. So we'll see, we'll show you guys the progress.
There it is. So we might do a couple more right here. Looks pretty good though. So the next project will be to put the kind of mesh at the bottom for the weeds. And then over there off the water pump, we're gonna trench a hose underneath the ground all the way through here, 80 feet, and then split it off to actually get the irrigation with a hose there. We can spray the crops as well. Then in this area, we're just gonna go straight in the dirt, things like sweet potatoes and other different stuff we're gonna grow. And then finally back here will be the trees, fruit trees, mango, banana. All right, we got to check in on the girls. Getting bigger. So yeah, I think to recap, we did these 4 beds. They're 12 feet by 4 feet, 8 inches high. And we just bought those cedar planks, which are pricey, but everything I've read is that they are going to withhold to the elements outside and last a long time. So I think it was worth the investment there. I think we could add probably 2 more. And then we're just gonna get some soil, which we'll do a video for that. Do the irrigation, we'll include what we're doing for irrigation. And then we just figure it out. Hey, we're not familiar with this process. We've never done this before. So everything that you see on this channel, we're just learning and documenting for us and hopefully for you all. So if you like that sort of thing, feel free to follow along. We'll be posting our homesteading journey, our home build, and life on the farm.